Okay, so welcome to our channel today. And today we are talking about the 2017 hurricane season, a season full of chaos. The 2017 Atlantic hurricane season is a very active and destructive season with 17 named storms, 10 hurricanes, and 6 major hurricanes. It was also the costliest Atlantic hurricane season on record. The 2017 hurricane season is also a hyperactive season with the accumulated cyclone energy of about 225. Let's move to the strongest storm of the year, Hurricane Irma. It had winds of 180 miles per hour and gusts recorded up to 200 miles per hour. It killed 134 people and cost $77 billion. Irma was also a record-breaking storm with its category. It remained Category 5 for over 36 hours. And the deadliest storm of the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season was Hurricane Maria. It was the most intense storm of 2017. Maria cost over $90 billion killed 3,057 people, and caused the longest blackout in U.S. history, especially the islands of Puerto Rico and Dominica. Finally, let's move to the costliest storm of the year, Hurricane Harvey. It was also the costliest of U.S. Atlantic hurricanes on record, costing over $125 billion. Harvey hit Texas as a Category 4 hurricane, and the damage was mostly by the flooding. Harvey was one of the wettest storms recorded. Now, the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season became the costliest hurricane season on record, costing $295 billion, mostly by Harvey, Irma, and Maria. The season also killed over 3,000, mostly by Hurricane Maria. This season will never be forgotten. So this is the end of our video today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button.